Canal Doblajestube.
Thanks, Mom. Sorry. Opens a gift from her mother.
What's this?
It's a surprise, open it.
It's the sweater we saw yesterday at the store. Thank you.
I know how much you wanted it.
It's beautiful, I love it so much.
Only the best for my daughter, and you look so nice in blue.
It's so special, I will wear it every day, but...
What's the matter?
Are you sure about this? It was so expensive.
Don't worry, it was on sale.
Oh, good.
It was a great price, so I got 4.
4 sweaters?
Zari's mother shows her 3 more blue sweaters.
Look. This one is mine, this one is for your brother, and this one is your dad. That's so fun.
Oh.
We can all wear our new sweaters tomorrow. I'm so excited. What's wrong?
I don't think I like this sweater anymore.
Dale me gusta a nuestros videos. Te propongo que te suscribas a Doblajestube para que te lleguen notificaciones sobre nuestras publicaciones. Síguenos en YouTube y en Facebook como Doblajestube.